Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Agoda Cash. So let's get into the video. So go to Agoda website and log into your Agoda account. So once I've logged in, so now if you want to use your Agoda Cash, like if you have accumulated enough Agoda Cash to use it, so for example when you log into your account, if you click on your account here, you will see an option called Agoda Cash. All right, so simply click on this Agoda Cash option here. Simply click on it, and then here you'll be able to see your balance and everything. Since I don't have any, so it's not displaying. So here you will see all your Agoda balances. So if you want to use these balances, if you have enough cash, then how are you going to do? You can simply go to Agoda and then search for any bookings. Like if you want to make any bookings, just search for it. Okay, and then when you search for it and whatever, you can just fill in like normally how you normally search for any bookings. So just do that, and then when you get to the search page here with the results, so what you're going to do, you're going to select this. So under on your left side menu, you'll have some filters. So if you want to pay with Agoda Cash, just tick the filter and select pay with Agoda Cash. So this will only display the results where you can use your Agoda Cash. So click that and that will filter it out, and all these places here are now eligible to use with Agoda Cash. So simply you just have to select one that best interests you, select it, and then once you have confirmed, you just have to go and complete the booking process. So when you complete the booking process, when you get to the payment option, you just need to select your Agoda Cash if you have sufficient funds to cover it. So you just choose for the payment instead of your credit cards, just choose Agoda Cash and complete the booking, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.